Password reset not sending email on VentureFounders Fix. You hit forgot password on VentureFounders, but the reset email never lands in your inbox. It's a frustrating moment, but don't panic. Most people run into this issue at least once, and the fix is usually simpler than you think. Start by checking your spam or junk folder. VentureFounders password reset emails typically come from no reply VentureFounders go uk, and these automated messages often get caught in spam filters. Use your inbox search bar to look for VentureFounders or password reset to be sure. If you still can't find it, make sure you're entering the correct email link to your VentureFounders account. Many investors forget which address they registered with, especially if they used a business email or one from an old startup account. Even a single letter off will stop the system from sending the reset link. Next, add a VentureFounders co-book to your safe sender list or contacts, and then resend the password reset email. Give it a few minutes before trying again. Multiple rapid requests can delay delivery. If you're using an older browser, try clearing your cache or switching to a different one. Cached data or outdated cookies sometimes cause the reset process to fail silently. It's also worth checking whether your email storage is full or whether your provider blocks links from automated systems. This happens more often with company or high-security email domains. If you've done all this and still don't see the email, contact VentureFounders support directly. Their team can verify your details and manually send a reset link. The surprising truth is that 9 out of 10 password reset problems are caused by email filtering or mistyped addresses, not system errors. Once you correct those, your VentureFounders password reset email should arrive smoothly, letting you log back in and manage your investments without delay.